Alrighty, pool players, in this episode we're going to attack the bottom of the top ball with a 39-degree cut. The next episode we'll start working on the second ball. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, in this example, we're at 12/8 again. I'm going into the bottom side of the 8 ball towards the 1 ball. This is a half tip below center, medium stroke. Okay guys, with the half tip below center, I'm going to scrape the 8, go into the 1 pretty full, go to the long rail and back out to the middle. Pretty successful rack break solution here. Let's go ahead and see how I run the rest of the rack. Okay guys, immediately the 5 balls out, the 11 balls out. So 2 potential break shots. I might still develop something because it's early in the rack, but it's good to know those things. I'm going to play the 4, play position on the 7. I'm going to play the 7 and go into the 3 ball. Kind of thought I'd get a better result than that. Okay guys, I'm going to play the 15. I'm going to play the 14 ball. Okay guys, that pretty much solved everything. So now the 3 goes in pockets. Everything else goes in pocket. And actually made the 11 ball a little bit of a better break shot. On a 3, so I'm just going to take it now. Okay, just gave myself another great shot there. I'm going to back up into the 1 or the 5. I should have shape on either the 12, hopefully the 15. It's time to start thinking whether I want to make this a half table game a little more quickly or continue to go how I'm going. I really prefer the 1-8 for my last 2 balls. The 1's not great, it'd be better if it was close to a rail, but the 1-8 looks reasonable if I can get a good shape on the 13. So 13, 1-8 are my last 3. So let's play 15, 9, 12. 13, 1-8. Okay, if I get the 1 closer to the rail, that's actually better. almost got in really big trouble there, but I'm okay. I can still play position on the one. I tried to go on top of the one. As you see, I went underneath. A little fortunate to have a shot, but it would have been kind of a bad roll not to have a shot. So I really want to get pretty straight on this one ball, but I'm pretty far from the 13 ball, so I have to hit a good shot here. Okay, pretty good there. If I can get straight on this 8 ball, I can get good shape on the 11. Half ball hit is right there. Go to the railing out.
Alrighty, we successfully got through another rack, guys. Very good rack, pretty easy. Couple little areas we had to be cautious of. Left the ball up table a little long. Might want to address that a little earlier next time. But we got through it, and next week we're going to go ahead and start attacking the second ball in the stack. So in the diagram above, it would be the 15 ball. Hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll see you guys next angle.